Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn affiliate marketing step by step. Begin by picking a niche and researching common questions people ask there. Next, list products that genuinely solve those problems and join affiliate programs that pay fairly. Build simple content that answers questions and links to helpful products. Track clicks and conversions, then tweak headlines and calls to action to improve results over time with steady testing and consistency. Create content that adds clear value and positions affiliate links where they help most. Start with how-to posts, product comparisons, and honest reviews that guide buying decisions. Optimize titles and headings for target keywords and include one strong call to action per piece. Promote posts on 1 or 2 social channels and build an email list for repeat traffic. Measure which formats convert best and double down on what works, while keeping your voice authentic and helpful. Drive traffic with a mix of SEO, organic social, and a few paid tests to learn quickly. Prioritize conversion by crafting persuasive but honest calls to action and by using clear product benefits. /B test headlines, descriptions, and link placements to see what converts better. Track clicks, conversion rates, and earnings per click to know what to scale. Reinvest a portion of earnings into what performs best and keep refining your funnel for steady growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.